Hey guys, it's Jude once more. It's been quite some few weeks since I dropped a video. The last video I dropped, I think I talked about how to make money from after query. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform where I made over $5,500 in just a single pay. This platform hires remotely worldwide, whether you're from Nigeria or from anywhere at all in the world. As far you got that skills, okay, you train AI or you're into the remote AI job space, then this platform is for you. Now I'm going to be revealing this platform in the video, so I would ask you to watch the video till the end so that you understand what you need, all right, to sign up for this platform and how to go about applying for jobs on this platform, the pros and cons on this platform, what you need to expect, and several other things I will tell you as I take you through the video step by step. So guys, if you're just coming across this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, all right? You like this video, you share this video, and let me know whatever you think in the comment section, and I'll give you a feedback ASAP. Thank you, and let's get right into this video. So guys, if you can see right here on my screen, you can see this is over $5,550 received May 20th 2026, which was just last month. You can see I even have a pending balance of over $300. I'm just gonna refresh this so that you know that this is legit. So I'm going to refresh this again, and you can see right there it's there on my balance. And if you can see, I've received a couple of money in the space of just 5 months, as you can see. And that's to show you that this platform actually pays. So if I head over to my email and I search for Turing payment, you're also going to see I received this money right in my bank account. So you can see this is it right here. Like I said, I would show you guys what Turing is, how to sign up for Turing, and how to go about applying jobs. Now I currently have a job on Turing right now. Okay, I currently have a job on Turing right now. If you see, I applied for several jobs before, and one thing you need to know about Turing as a beginner is you're going to be applying for loads and loads of jobs because there is a bit of competition. So don't expect to get a job just by applying on your first application. So you can see I've had over 21 jobs I applied that went on archive. I even have 6 jobs currently here, but you can see I can't apply for any job because I have gotten 2 jobs on Turing. This is the first job. This is the second job I got. I even got a job that I was shortlisted for, but I never got into the job. You can see I was shortlisted, but I was not selected. So you might be shortlisted for a job on Turing and you might not get selected for the job. That is one cons now. So take note of that. Newbies, I'm talking to newbies especially. You might be shortlisted for a job on Turing, but you might eventually not get selected for the job. And this can take a span of 24 hours to over 6 weeks. 24 hours to over 6 weeks. So you see, I currently have a job on Turing. If I go over to the job application, you can see it says I'm unable to apply because I already have an active engagement with them. So I'm just going to head to my workspace so that you can see the 2 jobs I had. So this was the job I had as of December last year that paid over $15 per hour. Now I currently have the video annotator job that pays averagely about $6 per hour. So that is just it. So I'm going to be showing you guys a job. In fact, I received the email to apply for that job right now, but I already have a job, so I don't think I can do that. So let me just go to important. Okay. Let's see. So yes, so this is the job. This is it. You can see I received an email after carefully. So there is a current job right now, And I'm going to drop the link in the description or in the comment section. In fact, I'm going to recommend 4 jobs in this video, and you're going to be having the link in the description or in the comment section so that you can apply for all 4. Okay, apply for all 4. So I will show you guys how to set up a Turing account. I'll be using someone else's detail to set up a Turing account. So let me just head over to the job I want to share, just one of it. It's a new job. So I'm going to copy the link, all right, and then I'm going to open it in a new tab. So while I wait for this to load, I want you guys to understand that before you get into Turing, okay, before you get a job in Turing, please, you need to have a driver license or an international passport to be able to verify your account. Okay, I'm saying this so that you don't miss out. So you need to have a driver license or an international passport before you're able to verify your account. So please try to get that as soon as possible. Try to get that as soon as possible. So I've signed up, put in my email, put in password. This is the job. Yes, this is the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so yes, I'm available. All right, so you need a LinkedIn account. Please try to get a LinkedIn account. The Google Scholar this and this is not important. So what else? Yes, I can overlap hourly rate. So let's see how much this job is paying. Let me put $15 per hour and let me confirm that. So you can see actually this job, I think they're paying up to $15 per hour. So yes, I confirm that. Let me go higher. Let me say $20 per hour. Okay, it's updating. Sometimes they usually show you the minimum that, okay, so you can see most talents are applying for this role are requesting up to $26 per hour. This was what I was trying to look for. So this is the maximum. So I think I would put this to get a higher chance of getting a job. Let me say, let me just put $20 per hour. Let me put $20 per hour. So these are factors that also influence whether you get a job or not. So please provide your LinkedIn URL. So I'm just going to provide the LinkedIn URL. This is it. Just pardon me. This. Yes, so all these are just to answer yes. How many years of annotation? Audio annotation, 5 years. Okay. Are you comfortable? Okay, $50 per tax model. Yes, it's okay. I confirm this. So I think what's left for me is to paste my LinkedIn. Now this is my aunt profile. I'm just creating LinkedIn. I'm just applying through our profile because, like I showed you guys, I can't apply for this job on my account. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so I think that's all, and I just submit application for this. So once you submit an application, it will take you to the submitted application section. So you can see this is it, and you can see it's pending review right now. It's pending review right now. So I think what you just need to know is an overview of this platform. You can see this is the home section where you can talk or put in details about yourself. So you put your profile picture, select a role. Okay, I could, since I'm applying for a video or audio analyst job, I can just put audio analyst here. So I think this will be audio engineer or audio analyst. These are only this thing regarding that. So audio, okay, visual this, video editor. All right, so these are not closely related, but I'm just putting this to make sure it's much more related to that job. So we have that. We can also go over to our profile and also make some very interesting edits. So I have the CV resume, basic information, all these things. You just try to make sure they are there. It's a very straightforward platform to apply for jobs, and I'm going to be recommending 4 jobs for beginners so that you can apply for them, and probably you watching this video could get your first job on this platform. But just like I said, you need an international passport or a driver license, because you would need to verify your account to get this job or to sign up for contract. So make sure you have that and then go ahead to apply. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you guys an answer. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.